In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up canned responses in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized library of messages that your team can use to reply faster and stay consistent. First, sign in with an admin account so you have the right permissions. From the Freshdesk dashboard, head to Admin, then look for Agent Productivity and select Canned Responses. This is the central place where you'll create, store, and manage all your reusable replies. If your layout looks a little different, use the search bar in the admin area and type Canned Responses to jump straight there. Start by creating a folder to keep things tidy. Click the New Folder button, give it a clear name, something like Refunds, Outages, or General, and click Create. Folders help agents quickly find the right message without scrolling through a long list. Think of them as categories based on topic, workflow, or team. You can always add more folders later as your library grows. Now open the folder you just created and click New Canned Response. This brings up the editor where you'll put together the actual message. Begin with the response title. Choose a name agents will recognize instantly, such as Refund Policy Standard or Account Verification Follow-up. Consistent naming makes search and training much easier, and it helps new team members get up to speed quickly. In the message area, draft your response in a friendly, professional tone. Keep it specific to a single scenario so agents know exactly when to use it. You can format text, include links, and write short, scannable paragraphs. If there are parts that change per ticket, don't hardcode them. Use placeholders instead. To personalize automatically, click the bracket or plus icon to insert placeholders like ticket.requester.name or hotticket.id. These fields pull details from the ticket, so agents don't have to copy and paste names or numbers. A helpful pattern is to open with a greeting using the requester's name, reference the ticket ID if needed, and then provide the resolution or next steps. Before finalizing, read the sentence with the placeholders in mind to ensure it still sounds natural when filled in. Finally, set the visibility so the right people can use it. Choose Myself for a personal template you alone can access, all agents for company-wide use, or agents in group to share it with a specific team such as billing or technical support. Pick the narrowest option that fits your workflow to keep the library relevant and clutter-free. That's it. Your first canned response is set up and organized, ready to speed up support while keeping your messaging consistent.